Good day. My name is Bernard, MPH student, University of New England. Environmental Health 722, the final project presentation. Drinking water is essential for human existence. Continued monitoring and surveillance is important for detection, prevention, and treatment of any contaminant for sustained supply of drinking water and maintenance of health and environment. Environmental impact. Clay particles, disasters like storms, floods, heavy torrential rain, deforestation, application of aluminium to clear turbidity is recommended. Resistant protozoa like Giardia lamblia and Cryptosporidium. The use of filtration avoidance agreement and boiling water protocols plus or minus iodine or chlorination will eradicate the above. Urban contamination. Constructions, manufacturing, domestic wastewater leakage, surveillance, regulations, and domestic wastewater control system in place will take care of their urban contaminations and establishment of emergency monitoring units. Health impact. A lot of health impacts could fall out from water contamination, for example, gastrointestinal diseases like cholera, diarrhea, and amoebiasis. Also, it could cause anemia and lead poisoning, hearing difficulties, hearing loss, and growth retardation, especially in children. While in adults, we have a range of ailments ranging from renal diseases to cardiovascular problems and reproductive diseases. Adequate medical treatment protocols is recommended. Observing lead control measures, increase in surveillance and monitoring to identify isolated cases and treat accordingly. Identifying incidents, recording and reporting of complete data information is advised. Protection of sources of drinking water is equally of big importance. Recommendations. The use of aluminium for purification of the turbidity caused by clay particles is recommended. Adhering to filtration avoidance agreement, which was emphasized in my interview with the New York State Region 3 officer, EPA officer, Mr. Daniel C. Agostino. Observing boiling water procedures is recommended. Disinfection of water with chlorine or iodine, regulatory compliance and monitoring, identification of contaminants from the source, and emergency response team is advised. Household waste control measures is recommended. Pollution control measures is also recommended. This means possibly the companies that produce a lot of waste will have controlled pollution disposal, which is supervised by EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. Lead control measures, enforcement, random monitoring and testing, control of use of herbs, insect chemicals killers, drinking water sources, reservoirs, and distribution protection. Voluntary residence monitoring cells. What I mean by here is allowing residents to volunteer to monitor water treatment. And this is going to be cost effective because there is no payment. The only payment involved is probably procurement of testing materials and then teaching these residents how to do the tests and send it into the central system for evaluation. Operational, performance, and distribution monitoring units advised. Disease outbreak control, monitoring and rapid treatment team is equally recommended, and follow-up with rehabilitation is advised. Closing remark. The above recommendations are important for the maintenance and sustained supply of quality drinking water to millions of New Yorkers and visitors, and development and implementation of this policy, if approved, will guarantee provision of high quality drinking water in New York City. Thank you. Bye.